Good evening, sir. First is my introduction. Sir, first of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. Sir, my name is Akash Chandani and I am very much too similar my name. Sir, as I am ambitious and self-confident boy. Sir, I belong to Bhopal, which is also famous for city of lakes. Sir, I have done BCom from Barkatullah University with 56.53 percentage. Sir, I have celebrated experience of working as 6 year in customer handling in private sweet shop. Sir, my friends call me a versatile personality because of my adjustable nature. Sir, my hobbies are I like watching inspirational movies. I like exploring new culture and visiting new places. Sir, I like to meet successful personality and also about learning new things from them. Sir, my aim is I want to make my career in aviation industry. I want to see myself at the designation of a CSA in a reputed organization. Sir, I am a jovial person. Sir, I don't like anybody who remains head in my company. I don't try to hog all the credits. Sir, I am team spirit person. Sir, strength as far as my strength are concerned. Sir, I am hardworking, punctual, honest and decent person. Sir, I am competitive boy and I love challenges. Thank you, sir. That's all about from myself, sir. Sir, next question. How will you stay with us? Sir, as you know, there are two types of satisfaction in life. One is job satisfaction and another is monetary satisfaction. When both these satisfaction moves parallel, there is no reason of change. As no as growing professionally, there is no reason for me to make a move. Moreover, I I don't want to be a rolling stone in my life. Sir, next question. Can you relocate? Sir, I don't have homesickness for me. Kashmir to Kanyakumari is same. Sir, I am a versatile person, can adjust anywhere, and affable personality, also and professionally. Sir, I very well know that if I am to make my career in aviation industry, and sir, I am very much passionate join this organization. Sir, my next question: why you are going join in private sector, and is there also about and join in government sector? Sir, in private sector, we get more challenges and early promotions. Work hard. I prefer private sector because their corruption is very less, and there is a difference between donkey and a horse. The appraisal system is very fair and transparent. So the one who work well will grow early. Sir, I love challenges. Sir, next question. What are your salary expectation? Sir, salary is not the only essential thing for me. Job satisfaction and growth opportunity are more important. However, I am sure that if you make an offer, it will be equal to my qualifications and the current salary structure of the industry as well as my experience. Sir, I have celebrated experience of working as 6 years in customer handling and private sweet shop. Sir, my next question prove your strength. Being common graduate, sir, while working in a sweet shop, I need a name to work with airport job. But since there was no guidance either, it was only my punctuality, studies, my determination in towards and airport. I somehow managed to give this exam and pass in today. And I am sitting in front of you, respected pupil, and you are and only because of my the strength. Sir, I am hardworking, punctual, honest, and decent person. Sir, next question. Why do you join airport job? Sir, this is a challenging job. I love creativity in my life and exploring new culture and making new friends are my hobbies, which are the part and parcel of this job. Sir, that I will be interacting new personality. Sir, as I am extrovert person and I love challenges. Sir, my next question. Suppose you don't get selected, what will you do? Sir, I have struggled hard for this job, and sir, I am confident that I will get selected. Unfortunately, if I don't get selected this time, I would at least come to about my weaknesses. Sir, I will work upon it and definitely get selected in my next interview. Sir, I believe in try again. Sir, my next question, do you prefer to work alone or team? Sir, if necessary, I am ready to work alone. But my preference is always work in a team because much more get achieved when people pull together. Sir, my next question. What type of people you don't like to work with? Sir, I am a versatile person. Can adjust anywhere with anybody. Sir, I am a amiable and philanthropist person. So I can work with any type of person and I always try to understand people and I can make friend easily. But there are some people those who are negative attitude and little selfish, so less towards their yeah, work. So at that time it is a big challenge for us. Either work with them or to make them work. Sir, my next question. How you different from others? Sir, although at present I can't judge others were ascending in the queue like me. But sir, I can assure about myself. I am determined and dedicated person especially towards my work. Sir, I have celebrated experience of working as 6 years in customer handling and private sales shop. Sir, if you select me, I will justify selection through hard and age grow. Sir, next question. Impact of pandemic on human life. Sir, the COVID-19 pandemic has led to a dramatic loss of human life worldwide and unprecedented challenge to provide to private to public health food system and the world of work. The economic social disruption is caused by pandemic. Economic is devastating. Tens of millions of people are at risk of falling into extreme poverty. While the number of undernourished people currently estimated nearly 690 millions could by increase up by end to end could increase by up to 132 million by the end of the year. Sir, my next question, why should we select you? Sir, first of all, I would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity. Sir, I am determined and dedicated person especially towards my work. Sir, I have celebrated experience of working as 6 years in customer handling and private sales shop. Sir, I will justify your selection by working sincerely and honestly. Sir, if you select me, I will never disappoint you. Sir, I will try my best and hard work to fulfill all the company needs from me. Sir, I really need one chance to show my strengths. Sir, my next question, tell us about Bhopal city. Sir, Bhopal is a city in the central Indian state of Madhya Pradesh and it is one of India's greenest city. There are two types of lake. First the upper lake and second the lower lake. Sir, the upper lake is also known as Bada Talab and was built by now 11th century by Raja Bhoj. Sir, the lower lake is located in the old part of the city and was built by Nawab Chote Khan in 1974. Sir, my next question about CSA ground staff responsibilities. Sir, managing check-in counters, welcoming and greeting passengers, making reservations, selling airline tickets, stock aircraft with refreshment, cleaning aircraft with after flights. Sir, providing directions, assisting by answering their questions, redirecting or rebooking customers, providing boarding passes, confirming the identities of passengers. Sir, the flight route to gate on and off. Make sure that all baggage is delivered. Sir, my next question, what is your short term and long term goal on your life? Sir, my short term goal is join IGI. I see myself gaining trust and credibility. If I can be reliable within a short period of time, I can be trusted with various new tasks, while the initial term goal can be achieved within the initial years. Sir, my long term goal is to make myself as a successful jewel for my organization by working sincerely and honestly. As I move ahead, these are not just goals but a guideline. So that I have to follow. It can be advantage to me as well as this organization. Sir, my next question, what is your next 5 year plan of life? Sir, first of all, I would like to join your organization as a customer service agent. Sir, I will work here with my 100% sincerely and honestly. Sir, I would like to touch every layer of success in a short span with, with my sincere effort in 5 years. Sir, I would like to see myself at the designation of a senior customer service agent of my organization. Sir, my next question about IGI. Sir, IGI Aviation Services Private Limited. Sir, a leading aviation services and training and manpower services was established in 2008. Sir, the core business of company is to provide training and manpower services in the aviation sector. The company is associated with do- domestic and international flights, ground handling companies, VIP lounges, cargo companies, and retail outlet and other much more at Delhi airport. Sir, our mission IGI recruits to training and ground staff, customer service agent, personal and successful for career in the aviation industry. Sir, our mission is to add value to the organization. We serve to contribute into the success of individuals seeking employment by supplying people who are well qualified and passionate about service. We contribute to the delivery of exceptional guest experience, increase company revenue and safety by making the recruitment process efficient, reliable and transparent. To be an inspirational company in the aviation sector by building the best network clients and customers. As the company want to use the platform of aviation to implement best solution to our customers, we desire to educate more and more students to become successful. We shall make all-round efforts in playing an active role in meeting the high standards of training and manpower services in the aviation industry. Sir, IGI Aviation works hard each day to build bridge, staff and loyalty. Sir, my next question, how many domestic, international and custom airports are there in India? Sir, Airport Authority of India AAI manages a total of 137 airports, which includes 103 domestic airports, 24 international airports, and 10 custom airports in India. Thank you, sir.